Hey everyone, Marcus here, your MadCapChef for today. Look. Whether you've been cooking for years, or you're just starting out, chances are you're still making a few common kitchen mistakes that secretly ruin your food. And today, we're fixing them once and for all. One of the biggest mistakes I see is cooking with a cold pan. When you put food in before the pan is hot, you don't get that beautiful flavorful sear. You get steam and disappointment. Always give your pan a proper minute to heat up. That tiny bit of patience makes a world of difference. Another silent killer in the kitchen is using the same dull chopping technique for everything. The way you cut your ingredients completely changes how they taste. A fine mince gives you intensity, while a rough rustic chop gives you bold chunky flavor. Master just a couple of knife skills and your food instantly levels up. Here is another one that drives chefs mad: overcrowding the pan. If your food can't breathe, it can't brown. It ends up boiling in its own moisture. Spread things out or cook in batches. Yes, it takes slightly longer, but the flavor payoff is massive. I promise. Seasoning is another area where people get it wrong. Too early, and your food dries out. Too late, and the flavor just sits on the surface. For most dishes, the sweet spot is seasoning right in the middle of cooking, so the flavor sinks all the way in. And finally, nobody talks about this enough: letting your food rest. Everything keeps cooking for a moment after it leaves the heat. Giving your food just a couple of minutes to settle transforms the texture from mushy to perfect. So, there you go. Fix these habits, and you'll be cooking better than half the internet. If you want more MadCapChef tips, make sure you follow, like, and stick around, because tomorrow, I'm showing you a cooking trick you've never tried before. See you in the kitchen. Marcus out.